Hello everyone, welcome to 3D networking. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple 2D grid for your network diagram. So your diagram will look much better. So let's get started. First I will move my diagram around outside. So while I'm making the 2D grid, it will not bother. So we need to draw a square. Zoom in a little bit, press shift and draw a square. Now you need to select, left click, control shift. Now we will move the object on the right side. You can see a plus sign appears on the cursor, so it will make the copy. So once you reach the right of your first square, just release the keys and don't click anywhere. Now go on the top left, you see a repeat duplicate option. So you just need to repeat the same function. I will zoom out a little bit so I can see my drawing area. Duplicate unless you reach on the rightmost. So it covers my drawing area horizontally. Select all, Control G, short for a group. Now I will zoom in a little bit more. Just align with this scale. Now I need to do the same thing for the horizontal. Sorry, it's for the vertical. Just click the object, left click, control shift, drag it down. Release the keys and repeat duplicate function again. Just zoom out a little bit so I can see my whole drawing area. Repeat the function until you reach bottom of your diagram. Now select all, Control G, short for group. I can change the color. I can choose any color I want. I can change the outline color. So I need a light gray and my outline should be a little bit darker. Now this object is selectable, so if I drag my diagram back, so it might create some problem. So I want to log this out. Selected, layer properties. I will make a new layer. I call it PG1, short for background. Apply. Assign to layer. Select my layer and go back to the layer properties again and lock this layer, so my object is no longer clickable. You can see I'm clicking on this object but I'm not able to do. Now next thing I need to do, because this diagram, if I move it back, it will go behind this new grid. All I need to do is just select everything, right click, and you see this bring to front. The short is Shift Control F. Drag your diagram and adjust. Now I need to adjust the page because my grid is a little bit going outside my drawing area. So all I need to do is just to go on design, size, fit to drawing. So my drawing area will be adjusted according to my drawing size. So now we are good to go. Just have a preview, press F5. So this is my 2D grid. I can adjust any color I want. I can change any outline color I want. So this will give a more beautiful way, a more beautiful look to your diagram. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification for any new video uploaded. Thank you for watching. Bye.